Hey guys, tonight I'm going to attempt to shoot the core of the Heart Nebula, IC 1805, or specifically the star cluster and nebulosity right in the middle, known as Melotte 15. This nebula is a rather large object, so I switched back to the refractor. I originally attempted this with the ASI 6200 one-shot color camera, and with my high Bortle 5 sky, the nebula got lost in the ambient light, and I ended up with a black sky with lots of stars and just a hint of the middle nebula structure. So now I'm reshooting it with the ASI 1600 Pro, which happens to be my only monochrome camera, and I'm shooting narrowband with the individual sulfur 2, hydrogen alpha, and oxygen 3 filters. This will be my first time using them in my attempt at the SHO or Hubble Palette, so who knows what I'll end up with. Also, I'll be guiding tonight, which is another first for me. I usually don't guide because of pure laziness, but I'm thinking these narrowband filters are going to need some longer exposures. My guide scope is a standard 156mm focal length scope, which is a little on the small side for this refractor, but I have to use what I have available. For the guide camera, I'm using the ASI 290 Mini. Now, setting up this PhD2 guider was quite a learning curve, but I seem to have got it. Alright, so now that we're guiding, I kind of want to see what a 2-minute exposure looks like with each of the filters. So this first one is the hydrogen alpha filter. It's going to probably be the strongest filter with the most signal on it. You can already see a lot of the nebula. Now let's see what the oxygen filter looks like. This one's probably going to be the weakest, but you can see some of the nebula in the middle right there. And then finally, let's take a look at the sulfur filter. Yeah, that one's going to look nice. So now we just have to set up the sequence, and we're going to have to do 3 sequences, 1 for each filter. And I kind of had to calculate for the night how much each shot per filter is going to be. But I believe we're going to end up with about 2 hours per filter. Now, as always, if you guys like content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And now let's take a look and see what we ended up with. I first want to look at each individual sub. So this first one is the sulfur. And then this is the hydrogen alpha. And then the oxygen. Now we put them all together and this is what we end up with. Alright guys, thanks for watching.